Good morning everyone, and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a week in my life at university. Before getting any further into today's video, let's address my voice. Yes, I am sick, but is this going to stop me from vlogging? No. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a week of my life at university. Today is actually Tuesday because yesterday I actually got in from Toronto, which if you guys follow me over on my Instagram, you'll already know. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you know what to do to stay updated with everything. But yeah, I actually came back from Toronto yesterday. So yeah, today's my first day back at university. It's currently like 9:20 a.m. and we basically have like workshops that we can sign up to today. So I think I'm going to attend the 11 to 12 workshop and then the 12 to 1 workshop. But yeah, as it's already so early, I think I'm just gonna go to like a cute and quirky cafe and like get some work done before class, have some breakfast, you know the vibes. But yeah, I'm really excited to be weekly vlogging this week. Hopefully you guys really enjoy it, and so yeah, stay tuned to see what I get up to this week. Also, like, I don't know how I have this much energy. I've literally slept for 2.5 hours and I'm extremely jet lagged due to the 5-hour difference from Canada, but you know, we move. So yeah, I'm about to head out now and let the day begin. Okay, so I'm off the train now and I'm in my favourite coffee shop next to uni, which is Swallow Street Coffee. So for anyone who goes to LCF and doesn't know about this place, now you know. And yeah, I've just ordered some avocado toast and a chai latte, and I'm about to get on with some uni work. And yeah, just try and get my work done before uni starts because I didn't do my prep, so I have a lot of work to do. Wish me luck. And breakfast is served. Look how pretty she looks. Okay, so your girl is all done from the coffee shop. Got a lot of work done actually, which I'm very happy with. And yeah, now I'm running to uni. I'm actually out of breath because I kind of left it a bit late and I only have like 5 minutes until my lecture starts. But yeah, fingers crossed it's a productive lecture. As you guys can see, I'm now back in my university halls, and honestly, I really enjoyed university today, which is very rare. Like, it was such a productive day. Working in the cafe was a very good shout, so I think I might start integrating that into my routine a bit more. And honestly, I think the reason why I have so much energy is because I had breakfast. It sounds a bit crazy, but I honestly never have breakfast, and I can honestly see such an improvement in like my energy levels. So yeah, eat your breakfast, kids. Yeah, on my way back from uni, I stopped off at Pret to get myself a ginger shot so that you know, I no longer sound like this. And I also got the green juices, what is it called, the daily greens juice, just to get my greens in because in case you couldn't tell, I'm not really doing so well. So yeah, I also actually stopped off at Boots to collect an online order. Oh my god, who remembers when unboxing videos used to be a thing? I got the Fenty Beauty Baywatch Vivid Liquid Eyeliner Trio, which I'm very excited about because I've started to finally experiment with makeup, which is very fun, and this was on offer. But yeah, now it's 1:30 and I basically have some time to kill because in the midst of my deliriousness last night, aka jet lag, aka just couldn't sleep, I decided, this is so weird, I can't believe I'm saying this on YouTube, but yeah, I decided to basically book myself a really random Hollywood wax. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about that. So yeah, I'm going to this place called Sugar in London. That's like an all natural, like vegan, like gluten-free wax, which I'm gonna be doing because why not? So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as to how that goes.
1 hour later. 2 days later.
Hey vlog. So it's now the next day, and you might, wait, am I in focus? Yeah, it's now the next day. You may be wondering where my vlog footage from yesterday is, and funny story that is. Basically, as a result it meant that I just stayed at home all day. We did have a lecture at university, but it was an optional lecture with like a guest speaker, so I wasn't really too fussed about that. So yeah, had a nice chill day. Now it's Thursday and it's a new day.
Rise and shine.
It's actually 6 PM though. I've been up since 7 AM and I've spent the whole day editing the brand deal, which I believe is already live now. So yeah, it's a brand deal with Bumble and I worked super hard on it. I'm so happy with how it turned out. So I edited that and now I'm about to meet my friend Rita for dinner downstairs. We're just going to Pizza Union, which is like my go-to pizza spot. It's so good, so affordable, and it's literally downstairs. I'm most definitely taking the mick with my outfit. Like, I'm literally wearing the same joggers that I wear to sleep. These are actually from Hollister. I got them when I was in Toronto and they were in the sale for $8, which is like maybe like £5.50, £6, which is a bit insane. Reduced from $42 by the way, so bargain. But yeah, this is the fit. I'm just trying to be as comfortable as possible for when I devour that pizza, so yeah. Okay, so now I'm back from dinner. I didn't really vlog much because I was just catching up with my friend Rita. Now I'm just having some tea for my throat, which definitely needs it. And I'm actually watching a series that I want to share with you guys. So there's this series called Baby that I've been watching on Netflix, and season 2 is out. And basically it's like an Italian series, but they've translated it into English, and it's honestly so good. It's like all about teenagers in high school. You know the vibes. So yeah, if any of you guys are looking for a new series to watch, then definitely recommend that.
The next day.
Hey vlog, it's a new day. I've been to the post room and I'm unboxing my packages and thought I'd just whip out the vlog camera to show you guys what I got. So my Halloween angel wings have arrived, and honestly they're like the perfect size. I was a bit stressed out that they were going to be too small, but on me they look great. And I've also ordered my dress, which says it's being shipped. I did next day delivery, which is a bit risky, but fingers crossed it comes tomorrow. What's really intriguing me is this huge box that was also for me in the post room, and the fact that it literally weighs nothing. So I'm just a bit baffed as to what could be in there and like how I don't remember ordering something that big. So we're gonna do a little unboxing together and see what exactly this is. Actually so intrigued. What on earth could this be? Wait, I'm so confused. Oh, that's actually so concerning. Okay, basically it's like a dustpan and brush set, but I didn't order, which means that when I checked out, I must have accidentally checked out everything in my saved basket on Amazon, which is kind of concerning. I really hope that that was just a one-off and that I didn't actually buy my whole basket, because I'm pretty sure my basket has a couple £100 of things that I don't really need in there. So yeah, that's fun, I guess. Something else which I recently received are these 2 incredible water bottles that I wanted to show you guys, because they are hands down some of the best that I've ever tried. They're from a company called Man Heart and they were kindly gifted to me. And yeah, I received 2 of their water bottles, this taller yellow one and then this flask one which is blue, which is super cute. So yeah, I just thought I'd share this with you guys because, as we all know, the world is dying, so let's get ourselves some cute reusable water bottles. And what I particularly love about this is that the flask keeps your hot drinks hot for 6 hours, I believe, and also like how the lid's design means that it doesn't spill, which is obviously very essential. And then for your cold drinks, it keeps them icy cold for up to 24 hours, which I think is amazing. So yeah, a massive shout out to Man Heart for sending me this. It also actually comes with an additional lid which you can use to kind of like alternate between the 2. Again, the lids do not leak and it's so simple. You literally just fill it, twist it, and you're good to go. So yeah, I'll have these linked down below for anyone interested.
Later.
Okay, so some time has passed. It's just before 9 PM and I basically had like a little wardrobe organization. I'm very proud of myself. I've also actually decided that I'm gonna go home for the night to spend time with my parents. I'm literally gonna be there for the night because I have Halloween things tomorrow, so I'm gonna be back up here. But yeah, I just thought it'd be nice to see them, especially given everything that's happened. And also on that note, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who shared all of their love and support during everything which has happened. But yeah, I'm heading home now. I also got them cakes from Hummingbird Bakery, which I hope they enjoy. P.S. for anyone that's vegan, they have vegan cakes as well, which are amazing. But yeah, all of my stuff is here and so off I go.
The next day.
Hey vlog, it's obviously the next day. I was gonna say it's Halloween. It's not Halloween, but it's the Saturday night out that everyone celebrates Halloween on. So I've just gotten ready. rude. I'm obsessed with my eye makeup. I've just done some gems and then I'm changing into my angel costume. But yeah, here's the look. I've also curled my hair, and yeah, my friend's coming over for pre-drinks. Should be a fun time, going to an event in Hoxton, which isn't too far from me. So yeah, let's get lit, lads. Okay, so I'm editing this video and I forgot to film an outro. Also, I'm filming this in the dark because I literally look like I've been run over by a train. So, I'm not going to turn the lights on. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for staying to the end if you've made it this far. I hope you liked it. If you did, I'd love if you could let me know by hitting the thumbs up, leaving a comment, and of course subscribing. Also, I'd really appreciate if you guys checked out my last video, as I said, and leave a little comment and a like because it would honestly mean a lot to me. But yeah, it's fair to say that Halloween night out got a bit messy. I definitely had like a 2-day hangover, let's not lie, but you know, we moved. So yeah, stay tuned for the next weekly vlog. I hope you enjoyed and have a good rest of your day, guys. Mwah.